Do you love cruising? Have you heard about the new ships that major cruise lines are going to debut in the next few years? Well, if you're interested in knowing about the new ships that are coming out, then stay tuned because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Payne with Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. This channel is about everything travel. Everything from travel tips, travel hacks, and travel news, along with destination and cruise ship videos. If this is something you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button right now. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Today we're talking about the new cruise ships that are gonna make a splash in the ocean soon. In the next few years, a lot of cruise lines are gonna debut new ships. So let's get underway. These new ships are gonna come out between January 2025 and 2036. It's a lot of different ships, a lot of new classes. Everybody's going to this LNG. You will be amazed at the ships that's going to come out and the size of a lot of these ships. So I'm going to take you through some of the new ships that are coming out on my favorite cruise lines. The MSC World is coming out in April of 2025. This ship has a guest capacity of 6,774 and will make its first cruise April 12th of 2025 on a 7-day cruise out of Miami going to Puerto Playa, San Juan, and Ocean Key. The Norwegian Aqua by the Norwegian Cruise Line is also going to debut a ship in April 2025. This ship will have a capacity of 3,500 guests, and it is going to make its maiden cruise on April 16th of 2025. It will be going to the Bahamas, to Grand Stirrup Cay, and to Bimini. The ship will mainly be doing cruises in the Caribbean and Bermuda. The Star of the Seas by Royal Caribbean will also debut a ship in 2025. That's August of 2025. They will have a capacity of 5,600 guests. The inaugural cruise is slated for August 31st of 2025. It will make its first cruise out of Port Canaveral to Coco Cay, Cozumel, and Cozumel. It will mainly stay in the Caribbean area, but they have not listed how many cabin categories it will be. The Star Princess from Princess Cruises will also debut a ship in 2025. It will make its splash in September with approximately 4,300 guests. On October 4th, it will make its inaugural sailing, 11-day Mediterranean cruise. So you know that's exciting for Princess Cruise Lines. They will have 32 cabin categories. That's massive for any cruise line. Norwegian will debut their 4th, 5th, and 6th Prima class ships. That'll be in 2026, 2027, and 2028. This will be crazy for them because they have not launched 3 ships back to back year after year in quite some time. The guest capacity will be 3,500. They ain't letting out any more information on that right now about when their inaugural sailings will be for these ships, but you can bet that this is exciting for Princess Cruise Lines. You need to just stay tuned and I'll give you some updates when the time comes. Another Icon by Royal Caribbean is coming out as well in 2026. This will be the 2nd Icon class ship. And as you know, the Icon is a massive ship, one of the biggest ships on the ocean right now. So they're coming out with their second one in the second quarter of 2026. The guest capacity will be 5,600, and that's all the information that Royal Caribbean is letting out at the moment. But you can bet there will be more information and I'll bring it to you. World Asia by the MSC Cruise Lines is also coming out in 2026. The ship will have a guest capacity of over 6,700 people, and they will have 19 cabin categories. The fourth XL class ship from Carnival will be coming out in 2027 and 2028. Both ships will have a guest capacity of 6,400. They will have 49 cabin categories. The fourth world-class ship by MSC is expected to hit the water in 2027. Their capacity will be over 6,700 casts as well, with 19 cabin categories. Norwegian plans to launch 4 more of these Prima class ships. They will launch in 2030, 2032, 2034, and 2036. This makes it exciting for Norwegian as well. Well, there you have it. There's a lot of exciting things going on in the cruise world. If you are an avid cruiser, this is probably exciting for you as well. Keep in mind that the bigger these ships get, the less ports that they can go to. And that's just a fact of what's going on right now. The ships are so big that they can't get into some of these smaller ports. Now, a lot of these cruise lines are planning for that. They're building bigger ports and bigger piers throughout the world because they know that they need to get these big ships in there. Tendering a ship that size takes all day, so that is not an option. If you're anticipating a launch of any of these cruise ships, leave me a comment. Tell me which one that you're interested in. If you've been on some of these bigger ships like the Icon, also leave me a comment. Let me know what your experience was with that ship. If this makes you excited, give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked the video. Also, share this video with all cruisers. Every cruiser wants to know when that new ship is coming out. I have a video that I done called The Worst Time to Take a Cruise. So you need to watch that. So when you're planning for these bigger ships, you'll know exactly when to plan, when to book a cruise, because I did some research on when is the best time, when is the worst time. Subscribe to my channel, which helps me grow. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
And please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman, where you will find my Facebook page, my Instagram account, my Twitter page, and my TikTok page.